Can we create a community group on WhatsApp Business? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to look on how we can create a community group on WhatsApp Business. So if you are also wondering and looking out on how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to create a community group on WhatsApp Business. Let's see if we can do it. So first of all, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp Business and log in into your account. And once you're logged in into this account, we're gonna go on process with the creating a group. So just go ahead and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and tap on your group. And after you reach there, you're just gonna select the contact in your group, the contacts that you want to add in your group, and tap on next. And you can go ahead and type in your group name and give group permissions, and after that click on write and your group should be created. So unfortunately, it's not currently possible to create a community group on WhatsApp Business for now. However, you can follow up the steps and you can create a group. But instead of that, what you can do is look for communities that you are already part of. So you can go and look for the communities that are available in WhatsApp Business. For example, update section, you can find the channels to follow. You can go ahead and be part of those kind of channels and be a part of the community. So for now, WhatsApp is rolling out a communities feature not for only WhatsApp, not on WhatsApp Business, which allows users to group several groups under one community for better management. But this is currently being rolled out and it is not yet available for all the users. So you can just look out for those kind of features for upcoming future. You can look out for those features. So that is it. So WhatsApp Business doesn't yet support the community feature, but you can still create a WhatsApp group to connect with the customers, share information, and provide customer support. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp Business tips. And if you have got any questions or want more details, you can feel free to ask in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.